Consider the excitement of riding a motorbike on a race course. The thrills down your spine as you reach peak speed, the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate through the curves, the quick intake of air as you race towards the finish line. It is a luxury superbike at the top of its class, built for riders who want tremendous performance without sacrificing the quality and safety that Aprilia is known for. So welcome to Megaverse. Try to subscribe the channel and turn on the notification for more videos like this. Let's start. The Aprilia Racing Division's ambitious undertaking resulted in the RSV4, which is much more than a bike with a strong engine. They used cutting-edge technology to create a bike with integrated aerodynamic winglets, increased aerodynamic efficiency, 217 HP, and more torque than ever before, all housed in the iconic Aprilia chassis. This real masterpiece will have your heart beating from the moment you look at it. The Aprilia RSV4 has done the seemingly impossible yet again, increasing aerodynamic efficiency with integrated aerodynamic winglets and a double-layered fairing. There's also a racing-derived inverted swing arm and a new electronics package with sophisticated APRC, a massive 217 HP, greater torque, and the recognizable Aprilia chassis. The RSV4 has proven its mettle in rounds of rigorous comparison testing across the world, rising to the occasion like a real champion. There's also a factory option for the RSV4. The redesigned V4 1099 cubic centimeters engine is shared by both. However, the factory version includes standard features like forged aluminum alloy rims, a Hlin's Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension system, and Brembo Stylema brake calipers. Horsepower remains an outstanding 217 at 13,000 RPM, which is already difficult to surpass, but it now fulfills the stringent Euro 5 standards and tops out at 305 km per hour. The new Magneti Marelli ECU 11MP control system and a lighter exhaust with lower thermal inertia also help to cut emissions. The RSV4 factory has the exceptional Hlin's Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension system, which was fine-tuned in collaboration with both their engineers and Noali's top squad. The new and upgraded system gives a major boost in both performances and that coveted, but difficult to explain, riding feeling after being tested on the roughest courses, including Imola and Mugello, until both teams were entirely happy with the findings. The Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension system makes configuring and calibrating the shock absorbers and fork simple, with semi-active and manual modes accessible through handlebar controls. Additional customization options include 3 maps that control the suspension in various ways. The swing arm of the current model has undergone significant changes, becoming lighter and with a stronger lower brace. Inspired by the Aprilia RSGP utilized in MotoGP, this invention decreases masses while increasing rear-end stability during acceleration. In line with Aprilia's approach to lighting on sports motorcycles, the RSV4 has a triple LED front headlamp set with perimeter DRLs and a bending lights function, where the auxiliary lights boost visibility when cornering by illuminating the interior of a turn. The first mass-produced, high-performance narrow V4, this engine is the most innovative and powerful Aprilia has ever manufactured. While it meets Euro 5 emissions standards, it does not sacrifice performance, with increased torque and an exceptional maximum power level of 217 HP, thanks to smart modifications such as a new exhaust system and increased effective engine displacement, now 1,099 cubic centimeters compared to 1,077 cubic centimeters. The RSV4 has always strived to provide a true experience that is as near to Aprilia's racing bikes as possible, with no compromises or half measures, and the RSV4 factory is no exception. While still producing 217 horsepower, torque has increased from 122 Nm at 11,000 RPM to 125 Nm at 10,500 RPM. So this is it. Try to subscribe the channel and turn on the notification for more videos like this.